Today I'm at the Whins, just outside Annan really, and unfortunately they're going away to work with sheep. They have been drilling and doing some work in the farm, in the fields. So anyway, I'm going to try my drone. Haven't had it up this year. So here we have Lawrence Edwards rollers there, and on the front we have a 7-plate Massey Ferguson 54-55. So it's in quite good tyres there. So they're busy milking at the moment. You can hear the milking machine in the background there. So I've just come down to see this tractor here, the 64-65, the Dyna shift. It's sitting with a slurry tanker on the back there. It's an Abbey 2500R premium. So there's quite a few Massey Ferguson tractors sitting around the farm. But I'll make this do it for a moment. And here we have a 67 plate RN 650. It's the one and only Claas on the farm at the moment. The rest are Massey Ferguson. So just have to wait and see what happens the next time they change. Whether they go back to Massey or stay with Claas or someone else, we'll just have to wait and see. So I've had the drone up first time for quite a long time, so that was okay. There's another tractor sitting at the slurry pit. I'll stop and film that before I head away there. So there we are. Actually it's just a few spits of rain there, so I'm just too late to see the fertiliser spreader, but not to worry. We'll see what kind of tractor it is. It's a 7614 with an Amazon sprayer. So it's pretty much just finished there. Some of the dairy herd over there. I think that's a different 135 than what I filmed earlier on there. It's actually a 230, I think. So that's a different one. So I think there's probably seen about 80 of the tractors, I would imagine. Crash barrier made into a V shape, pushing up the silage. There he goes. Whatever else. So Mark was saying this is on better most of the winter time here. Well, that's Mark behind us there.